Hi, and welcome back to Thai Garden Design. In this project, we had a customer that had a nice atrium in the middle of their newly built home in Hua Hin, and they wanted something special. They wanted to develop a nice rock garden with a waterfall feature that fitted well into the space. There was to be a misting system that would come on automatically, um, and they wanted a particular kind of feature that looked rustic and old style, one that would attract moss and where we could put particular trees. In particular, they really like the cloud tree, or otherwise known the Thai bonsai tree. So we have suppliers in Thailand that can supply these types of trees, and they were quite specific about the rocks they wanted to use. In this project, they wanted a porous type rock with lots of surface area, so this could attract and the moss could stick to it well. And with the misting system, it would all look very natural. So you can see here, the guys are building up the water feature. It isn't a large area, maybe 10 square meters, about 5 meters by 2 meter wide. And so there's a limited space to work with. One of the challenges of this project was there was obviously a limited space, and we needed to trap water in a container that was enough to feed the waterfall and feed the misting system as well throughout the day. So the team connected a valve to the house water tanks that automatically topped up the water container every time it needed extra water. Here at Thai Garden Design, the team have been building ponds and waterfalls for over 30 years, so experienced team when it comes to designing the rocks, cementing the rocks so they look natural, placing the rocks so they're in the right location, and just generally creating very attractive, timeless looking, natural looking features. As can be seen, the water feature and the overall look began to take shape. Here the guys are working on the electrics for the misting system and the various pipework for the waterfall. And the plants started coming in. We just had some low jasmine and moss that was going to be attached to the rocks. There were going to be 3 cloud trees in total, and the green really helped change the overall theme and look of the interior and the atrium. The guys are really careful about placing the moss, and it's stuck to this type of porous rock extremely well and just completely changed the look and colours. And there you have it, a transformed atrium with a timeless water feature and misting system looking fantastic. Please check back more for more projects from Thai Garden Design.